Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer the question of how to keep your lawn and plants looking great in the heat. We love summer, at least the beginning, when planting our new flower beds and watching our lawns become lush and green. But around August, the heat waves and droughts leave many of us with heat-stressed lawns that go dormant and are no longer lush and green, but dry and brown, giving more the appearance of hay than grass. Once this happens, you may have to sit back and wait for rainfall and cooler temperatures. But to prevent this from happening, there are several steps you can take. 1. Don't overwater. If you water too much, your lawn's roots will become shallow, and you want roots to dig deep into the soil. To encourage a deep and healthy root system, water less frequency, a few times a week. When watering, make sure you completely soak the area. A good rule of thumb is to look for small pools of water to accumulate on the surface. Not only should you worry about how often you water, but also when and how. Watering early in the morning is the best time. Morning is when plants absorb the most moisture, giving your grass and plants the moisture they need to get through the day. The second best time is to water in the evening before 7 p.m. Contrary to what most believe, watering at night might not be your best bet. While it is cooler, you may run the risk of your yard developing mold and fungus. The worst time to water is in the afternoon. By doing so, you're simply wasting your time and the water. The water will not make it to the plant's roots. Instead, it will evaporate. Second is mowing. Limit the amount of times you cut the grass. Many of us who live in the suburbs know that cutting the grass is important for keeping property values high and our neighbors happy. But during droughts and high temperatures over 90, you may want to rethink mowing every week. If you do need to mow, you will want to keep your grass around 3 to 3.5 inches tall. And like watering, there are several rules of thumb. First, the best time to mow is in the mid-morning, around 8 to 10 a.m., when the dew has dried out for the day. If you cut in the afternoon, you will increase the chance of burning it. You will also want to cut the grass before you water or see rain, not after. When mowing during high temperatures, you don't want to bag your trimmings. Instead, use them to mulch your grass. They will trap moisture, giving your grass a lift during droughts and high temperatures. When mowing, make sure you keep your blades sharp. Your grass doesn't need any more stress during the summer heat, and dull blades will tear instead of cutting it. Number 4, don't fertilize. It's best not to fertilize once the temperatures go above 85 degrees. In doing so, you will stress your yard, possibly burn your grass, and encourage weeds. 5, keep off your grass during the hot months. The more traffic, the more tired your grass will look. If you have any other backyard questions, click the link below to some of our other videos. We've supplied links to mentioned products, and don't forget to like and subscribe.